Imagine a world where the boundaries between reality and fiction become blurred, where your privacy is constantly under threat, and your job could be replaced by machines. Your job could be replaced by machines. What if the very technology that promises to revolutionize our lives also manipulates our thoughts and reshapes the way we learn? How do we navigate this new and challenging world? And what knowledge is essential to stay ahead of the curve? In this video, we will uncover the enigmas of artificial intelligence, AI, reveal its darker aspects, and provide you with the necessary tools to protect yourself and thrive in the era of AI. Let's begin with the first point. Number 1. Understanding AI. As we embark on this astonishing journey into the realm of artificial intelligence, it is crucial to grasp its fundamental principles. But what exactly is AI? Picture yourself standing in a hall of mirrors, where each reflection represents a facet of human intelligence, problem solving, pattern recognition, learning, and adaptation. Now, imagine capturing these reflections and imparting them to machines, enabling them to think and act like us. Is it magic? Not quite, it's science. AI is built on algorithms, intricate sets of rules that process data and make decisions much like our brains do. Machine learning, a subset of AI, takes it a step further, allowing machines to learn from data without explicit instructions. Picture a robot chef that masters the art of making pizza by observing countless hours of cooking videos, refining its technique with each new attempt. One might wonder if machines can learn, what's stopping them from outsmarting us? The answer lies in understanding the distinction between narrow AI and artificial general intelligence, AGI. Narrow AI, which we encounter today, excels at specific tasks like playing chess or recognizing faces. On the other hand, AGI would possess human-like intelligence capable of understanding and performing any intellectual task we can. While AGI remains the stuff of science fiction, the rapid evolution of AI demands that we stay informed and vigilant. Number 2, deepfakes, when reality becomes a mirage. Imagine watching a video of a celebrity delivering a controversial speech, only for it to be revealed later that the speech was completely fabricated, to discover that it was all an elaborate illusion. This is the uncanny world of deepfakes, where AI-generated videos and images mimic real-life people with astounding accuracy. But how does AI manage to create such convincing deceptions? The answer lies in a dance of two neural networks known as the generator and the discriminator. In a process called generative adversarial training, the generator crafts forgeries while the discriminator acts as an art critic, scrutinizing the creations for imperfections. Over time, the generator improves its techniques, honing its ability to create increasingly realistic and deceptive deepfakes. Over time, the generator hones its skills, producing increasingly convincing forgeries that even the most discerning eye might struggle to identify. Imagine an AI-generated video of a political leader declaring war or a deepfake that fabricates scandalous behavior. The consequences could be dire, ranging from personal harm to global instability. So, as we navigate this enigmatic world, how can we discern the genuine from the fabricated? It's essential to approach content with a critical eye, verify sources, and remain vigilant against the deceptions that lurk within the digital realm. Number 3, privacy under siege, AI's watchful eye. Picture yourself strolling through a futuristic city where unseen eyes track your every move, collecting whispers of your personal life. Welcome to the new frontier of privacy invasion, where AI-powered surveillance systems monitor our digital footprints and analyze our behaviors. But how exactly does AI erode the very notion of privacy? The answer lies in its insatiable appetite for data. The more data AI consumes, the more accurate and effective it becomes. Social media platforms, search engines, and even everyday devices collect vast troves of information about our lives, feeding AI's unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Imagine a scenario where AI algorithms scrutinize your online habits to deduce your preferences, beliefs, and even your deepest fears. This information, in the wrong hands, can be weaponized to manipulate your behavior, exploit your vulnerabilities, or even target you for criminal activities. So, how can we shield ourselves from AI's watchful gaze and safeguard our privacy? The key is to stay informed and take proactive measures to protect our digital lives. Encrypt your communications, use privacy-focused tools, And be mindful of the data you share online. As we venture further into the age of AI, are you ready to reclaim your privacy and defend your digital fortress? The power to safeguard your personal realm lies in your hands. Number 4, Social Media Manipulation, AI's Invisible Hand. This is the realm of AI-driven social media algorithms, the invisible puppeteers orchestrating your digital journey. But what fuels these algorithms, and how do they exert such control over our lives? At the core of these AI-powered systems lie complex mathematical models designed to maximize user engagement by analyzing our clicks, likes, and shares. These algorithms learn to predict and serve up content that keeps us glued to our screens. However, the consequences of this AI-guided curation can be far-reaching and insidious. Picture a world where your social media feed becomes an echo chamber, reinforcing your existing beliefs and suppressing opposing viewpoints. This phenomenon, known as the filter bubble, can polarize communities, breed extremism, and erode our ability to engage in constructive discourse. So, how can we reclaim our autonomy and navigate the labyrinth of AI-curated content with open minds?
Number 5. Job apocalypse. Will AI take your job? Imagine waking up one day to find your job snatched away by a tireless, unerring machine. Welcome to the unfolding reality of job displacement, where AI's relentless advance threatens to upend the very foundations of work as we know it. But how can AI, a creation of human ingenuity, pose such a risk to our livelihoods? The answer lies in its astonishing ability to perform complex tasks at unparalleled speeds and with exceptional precision. From manufacturing to customer service, AI-driven automation is transforming industries, raising concerns about the future of human labor. Consider the self-driving truck, an AI-powered marvel capable of navigating the open road with minimal human intervention. While this innovation promises improved efficiency and safety, it also puts millions of trucking jobs at risk. Similar scenarios play out across various sectors, from AI-powered chatbots displacing customer service representatives to algorithms outperforming financial analysts. Number 6. The AI revolution in education, a double-edged sword. AI's impressive capabilities extend beyond data processing and pattern recognition. Imagine a student struggling with mathematics, paired with an AI tutor that identifies their weaknesses and crafts personalized lessons to bridge the gaps in understanding. The result: empowered learners, better outcomes, and a brighter future. However, the integration of AI in education is not without its pitfalls. As technology becomes an integral part of the learning process, concerns arise about the impact on human interaction, the role of teachers, and the potential for AI to perpetuate biases. Number 7. Ethical dilemmas, navigating the AI frontier. How do we ensure that artificial intelligence remains a servant of humanity rather than an uncontrollable force with unforeseen consequences? As AI systems grow increasingly autonomous, they begin to make decisions that profoundly impact our lives, from determining creditworthiness to diagnosing medical conditions. But what happens when AI's decisions are influenced by hidden biases, perpetuating discrimination and inequality? Or when AI-powered weapons fall into the wrong hands, unleashing devastation on an unprecedented scale? To navigate these ethical minefields, we must embrace a collective responsibility to guide the development and deployment of AI. This requires collaboration among diverse stakeholders, ranging from technologists and policymakers to ethicists and educators. By establishing guidelines, principles, and safeguards, we can ensure that AI remains aligned with human values and serves as a force for good. If you've made it this far, we truly appreciate your support. Please comment below with the word 100 so we know that you've watched the entire video. Now, take the time to watch the recommended video displayed on the screen. It will shed light on why we should genuinely fear the AI singularity. Make sure to watch it now. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.